and today we will discuss the final year subject, that is nothing but my software engineering, and today we will start one basic concept of software engineering, or you can say that basic concept of your computer, that is nothing but my user interface design. So in case of user interface design, the main thing is about how the user interact with the computer by the help of text based interface or by the help of graphical based interface. Interface means through which we can interact with the computer. Let us consider, you can take one small example. Whenever you are doing a C programming, so you will start, if you start the Turbo C screen, the blue color screen is known as my interface, through which you can do the program. Or whenever you open the internet page, Google page, the Google page is known as my interface. Okay. Or whenever you can start the Facebook page, any social media site, the page you open, the page you will see is known as my interface. Okay. So interface is nothing but through which the user can interact. Okay. So let us start the today's topic, that is nothing but my user interface design. So the definition of a interface is nothing but the visual part of a computer application or the operating system through which a client interact with a computer or a software. Okay, visual part means which I see on the computer. Whenever you open the computer, the first computer screen, Windows screen, okay, is known as my interface, through which we can interact with the computer. The visual part of a computer application or operating system through which a client interact with a computer or a software. Okay, it determines how commands are given to the computer or the program and how data is displayed on the screen. The interface, why I am using the interface? The interface generally determines how I am interact with the computer, whether I will put some commands or I will click on the icons. Whenever you are doing the DOS programming, you are dealing with the computer by the help of commands. Whenever you want to display the time, you give the time command. Whenever you want to display the date on the computer, then you will give the date command. Okay, like this. Or whenever you want to open the My Computer in the Windows programming, you click on the My Computer icon. So generally there are two ways for interacting with the interface. First is known as by the help of commands. Second is known as by the help of icons. Okay. So if I do the command based application, that is known as command user interface. On the other hand, if you do with the icons based application, then that is known as my graphical user interface. Okay. So in generally, There are two types of user interface, what I have already told you. First is known as my text-based user interface or command line interface, okay, through which I can interact with the computer. And the second one is graphical user interface, or you can say that is known as my GUI based interface, okay, or you can say that CUI based interface, GUI based interface. CUI based interface means character user interface, GUI based interface means graphical user interface, okay. The main difference between the text based or character based user interface or GUI or graphical user interface is, in case of text based interface, always you remind the command, okay, you must by heart the commands, otherwise you can't interact with the computer. But in case of GUI or graphical user interface, there is no need for by heart the commands, grasp the commands. On the other hand, instead of, you can see there are so many icons in case of graphical user interface. Like whenever you open your computer, there are so many icons are there, that is known as my computer, recycle bin, okay, everything is displayed by the help of icons. So this is the main benefit of using the graphical user interface. Okay, best example is your Windows based application, and character based user interface means best thing is known as my DOS based application. Okay, so let us start first text based user interface, or you can say that command line interface or character user interface, that is nothing but my CUI. So text based user interface, this method is primarily based on the help of keyboard. Okay, whenever I am dealing with the computer, everything is dependent on the keyboard. Everything is dependent by the help of commands only. Like your DOS, what I have already told you, date command, time command, copycon command, okay, move command, okay, del command, rename command, everything is done by the help of commands only. So if I am using text based user interface, my whole importance is based on the keyboard only, okay. And examples of your text based user interface is known as my Unix, or you can say that DOS disk operating system or Unix, both are known as my text based user interface. What is the advantages of text based user interface? It is capable of knowing so many commands. If I am using text based user interface, then the main benefit is we are know more and more commands, okay. And what is the disadvantage? We can recall the command. We must recall the command. We must by heart the command. And second one is navigation is often more difficult. Navigation means transfer from one part of the computer to another part of the computer. Screening, we can move the different screens. That is very much difficult in case of text based user interface. But graphical user interface means we are dependent on the mouse, because everything is by the help of icons, by the help of mouse click. A typical example of this type of interface is any version of Windows operating system. It's the best example of your graphical user interface. Then what are the different characteristics? Multiple windows allow different information to be displayed simultaneously on the user screen. We can open different types of screen at a time. We can open my computer, we can open music, we can open Turbo C, different types of screen we can open simultaneously, okay. Then icons, different types of information. On some system, icons represent files. On the other, icons describe process. We are generally dependent on the icons. Icons means graphical representation of any command. My computer, recycle bin, Internet Explorer, okay, Turbo C, everything is displayed on the help of icons, by the help of icons. Then the third thing is we can take the help of menus. Menus means list of items. Commands are generally selected by the help of menus rather than we are typing the commands. Okay. Then pointing device is generally there, that is known as mouse is used for selecting choices from a menu or indicating items of interest in a window. Graphics element can be mixed with text or the same display. That means one picture is there, then on the picture something is written, that is known as my computer. Some picture is there, recycle bin. Some picture is there, Turbo C. Some picture is there, Internet Explorer. Means that is a mixture of text and graphics. Graphics means pictures. So these are the different characteristics of your GUI. Then what is the advantage? Anyone can use. Anyone can use the graphical user interface. Okay. For using the graphical user interface, we need a less knowledge of computer, or you can say that no knowledge of computer. If anyone can know the English like language and understand the different pictures, then also he can, and if he is able to use the mouse, then he can use the computer. So less expert knowledge is required to use it. Easier to navigate and can look through folders quickly in a guess and check manner. Navigate means transfer from one screen to another screen. That is easier. But in case of text-based interface, that is quite difficult. The user may switch quickly from one task to another and can interact with several different applications. Okay. So these are the advantages. Then what is the disadvantage? Typically decreased options, usually less customizable, not easy to use, one button for tons of different variations. Okay, that means for every application, one single button is there. We cannot use a single button for different applications. Okay, so this is nothing but my user interface design. One is known as graphical user, another is known as text-based interface. Okay, so thank you.